Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Photoshop to make an animated GIF with your favorite light painting photo. Your finished product could end up looking something like this. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do is open your best painting with light photo in Photoshop, and you should make any edits that you need to do, such as brightening the photo, making it more improving the contrast, fixing any flaws, any of that type of thing. Once you're finished with all the edits that you need to make, go ahead and go to File, Save As, and navigate to the folder where you're saving your images. And you can see I have my my original images that I used to make the animation that I showed you at the beginning of the video. So this is how you're going to name them. 01 and then whatever you'd like to call it. I called mine light painting. 02 light painting, 03, 04, 05. So you're going to have at least 5 different versions of your photo. So since my other ones were called light painting, I'm going to call this something else. So 01, and I'll just call it LP for short. I'll confirm that it's a JPEG and then click Save. And I'll make this 8 and click OK. Now go down here to the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button and choose any of these that you like, that you have used in the past and you like the effect. I'm going to go ahead and go with Hue and Saturation, and I will just move this around. Now I'm going to go to File, Save As, save on your computer, and I'll call this one, just erase that number 1 and say 2. So 2 LP, and I'll change this to a JPEG. And there you can see number 1 LP, so this is going to be 2. Now I'll go right back up to my properties again, and I'll change this to another color. And File, Save As. This will be, erase the 1, I'll put 3, change it to a JPEG. Okay, let's go, ooh, I like that magenta. File, Save As. And I think I'm on 4. Change this to a JPEG. Yes, I'm on 4. Okay, so one more. So let's change the hue and saturation. Yeah, that looks good. File, Save As. And this will be number 5. Change it to a JPEG. And save. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I am not going to save my changes, so I'll say no. Now I'm going to go to Window, Timeline, then File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. And I get this dialog box. I'm going to browse, and here are my images. So holding down Control or Command, I'm just going to pick my 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, there's all 5 of my images, and click OK. And now I can see them all listed here, and click OK. And I can see that they're being loaded down here in the Layers panel. Now I'm going to come down here to the bottom where it says Create Frame Animation. If yours says Create Video Timeline, you need to click on this little down arrow and change it to Create Frame Animation. Now click directly on this button and it put the first frame in there. To add the other frames, I'm going to open this side menu and go to Make Frame from Layers. All right, now I think I want the order to be slightly different, so I'm going to drag these around. Yeah, maybe something like that. Okay, we'll see. So I'm going to click the first one, hold down Shift and click the last one so that they're all selected. Now I'll open the seconds. I'm going to put it on 0.5 and then push play, and we'll see what that looks like. Yeah, I think I like that. So I'll push stop. Make sure that your loop is set to forever. Now that this is finished, I'm going to export it. So File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. And if you want to see, you can say Fit in View, and there it is. I'm going to leave all of the defaults like they are and click Save. So let's see, I'm going to title this Painting with Light Animation, and send it to my correct folder, which is right here. And leave it as a .gif. Don't change that part. And click Save. And there we go. All right, that's it, everyone. Have fun.